Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam courses. In that lecture we're gonna talk about CNC Lathe toolpaths and cycling process and cycle pattern approach. So I can click here to be able to select my chain. I can start from here, and I can reach at that line. Okay, click OK button and then select my tool, and I can write my feed rate. This is my feed rate. I can turn to the constant cutting speed. So I can write my maximum spindle speed. I can turn to the pattern repeat parameters here with 0.1. I can repeat that process by using the number of passes. My compensation type is calculated by computer. And then I can hit the OK button. So when I am used my backload simulation, we're gonna see that kind of operations here, and then we can hit the G1 button to be able to get my code here. And then we're gonna see the G73 line here. Okay, this is actually my the depth of cut. This is my retract position for each cut, and then I can repeat that process and line 100 to line 110. And then this is my stock to leave on the x-axis, stock to leave on the z-axis, and my feed rate. And this is my profile and tool, and this is my profile and the code here. This is calculated actually and by consider actually my tool radius. My tool radius, when I am turned to here, 0.8. This is my corner radius, and this is my parameters. This is my compensation type. Okay, when I am turned to and the pattern repeat parameters, you're gonna see that and tool compensation type computer. It means that my tool compensation calculated and by the computer. Okay, so that's it. I really appreciate your interest. Don't hesitate to ask me any question. I am here to answer your question.